So I guess you'd call this the Corona series, where I just talk about fish that I've caught in the past and the spots they were at and what I used to catch them. So this time we've got my best catches in the Noosa River. So we always go there on a holiday each year and catch some big fish. Some little, some big, some medium, but they're all good catches because can't get them down here where I fish in Victoria. So I'll roll on the clips now and talk about them before it. So here we go. Alright, so first up we have a fish you all should be familiar with. It is the golden trevally I caught in the Noosa River, obviously. Found a deep hole, went there with a plastic, few casts in, instant hookup. I won't talk too much more about it because you've all probably heard me talk about this fish a lot, but I'll play the clip now.
Don't know, something. Got something already. Yeah, I always lose fish, so I probably will. Yeah, I was using a plastic, so. Yeah, I was using soft plastic. Hopefully. Don't know. Yeah. No, not yet.
Oh, it's a stick and it's a giant trevally.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
Oh, that's huge.
Oh, that's big.
That's a monster trevally.
Dad, come look at this. Look at that. That is a monster. Monster trevally.
So next up we've got two separate fish. We've got a small diamond trevally, very small, but I thought I'd just put him in here because it's my first ever one and he looks pretty cool. And we've got a small Tarwhine. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it, but when I first caught it, I thought it was a brim, but then later on in the comments, someone informed me that it was actually a fish called a Tarwhine, which is the first one I've ever caught and first time I've heard of it. So I'll play on these clips now. Here it is.
Fish on here. Fish on. Not sure what it is. It's not too big, I don't believe, but it's something. It's a start. Oh, it's a little. Oh, it's a little. What is that? Like a diamond trevally or something? That's sick. Look at that. That is awesome. I'll get him off and get him back in. Come on. Oh, yep. Yep, fish on. Oh. Nice little brim here. Great way to start off the day. Hopefully they can get a bit bigger. Come on.
Last but not least, we've got a fish slash shark slash ray slash whatever you want to call it. A shovel nose shark. Biggest fight I've had ever. 10 minutes, runs and runs and runs. Had no clue what it was when it first hooked on. Just had the rod sitting in the holder, had a running sinker on with a prawn, and took off. Runs, went so far. went to the other side of the river. Finally got him in after 10 minutes and thought it was a banjo shark at first, and then it swung its head around and had a big shovel head. So first shovel nose shark of my career, I guess you'd call it. So I'll play the clip now. Here it is.
Got something pretty big here. Yeah, it is very big. It's so big. Shit. Should have seen the run on it before. Oh no, it's
Oh, no, it's a shovel nose.
Shovel nose shark.
it's a shovel. What the hell's a shovel nose shark?
So that concludes the best catches in the Noosa River so far. So I only got my GoPro started last year, so I've only been to Noosa once with the GoPro, and they were most of the catches I caught there and filmed. So when this Corona's done and later on this year and the years to come, I'll have my better GoPro, so I'll be able to catch more fish and get them on footage and get more underwater footage, and it'll just be better. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you all in the next Corona series video. Cheers and have a good one.